API. Of course, I like to shortcut my whole process. If I can copy this whole thing, this one, nobody should be too difficult to create. I hope. Because I want to save some time. The user interface, I copy over first. Okay, so in your block diagram, at least you get all your objects already. The window status is here, the fan status is here, the rain sensor, the preset temperature, and your temperature sensor. So these are the objects on the front panel. So first thing is create the skeleton of your state machine. First, while loop. Structure, while loop. Get your while loop in. Next, case structure. Structure, case structure. You must get your case structure in. These are the skeleton. Next is your enum. Right click. You can enum, you do it on the front panel. Front panel. Right click under rings and enums. There's this enum. Drop it in first. You can change the label for the enum to be states, or you don't change, it's up to you. You can change it to states. I normally change it to states. Okay, and now the enum states are empty. There's no enum inside, no enum states inside. Never mind, I leave it empty. The enum states is down here. I leave it empty first. Okay, and of course you must connect the enum later on to the case structure and then create a shift register. But you don't do that now first. Okay, you must, after you created this empty enum, you must fill up the enum with all the 7 states according to the diagram. Got it? So, right click on this guy. Not this, on the front panel. Remember when we create the enum, it's on the front panel. Right click on the enum, edit items. On the block diagram, you right click, cannot edit items. There is no items for you to edit, so you cannot enter. So you don't get jammed down here and then what to do. You go to your front panel. Okay, the enum is here. Right click, edit items, and you can see initially it's all empty. So you're going to start typing your 7 state. Can you remember that? First was init, second one. I try to remember by memory. Check, rain, sensor. Third one?
Close window.
Okay. Close window. Fourth one?
Open window.
Open window. Fifth one?
Check temperature sensor.
Check temperature sensor. Sixth one?
Switch on fan.
Switch on fan. Last one?
Switch off fan.
Switch off fan. Please remember, after you key in the last one, don't press enter. The moment you press enter, you created one extra enum, and if you don't type, that extra enum is considered another enum, the 8th enum, which will give you problem in your state diagram. So if you accidentally press enter, what must you do? You must delete it. Make sure you have 7, and you press OK. Alright, so now your enum has 7 states. To verify, you can always verify under the front panel. You can go down and verify. Of course, you can stretch it up to see all the 7 states inside there. And there's no blank states. Okay? And now, to make use of this enum is pretty useless. This form of enum in this particular presentation is not very helpful. What we wanted is this kind of enum. This kind of enum where you click on it, you can see the options so that we can select which one we want, right? So how to make this kind of representation versus this type? Remember this step, don't forget. Right click on the enum, create, constant, becomes like that. This and this are the same thing.